Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little extra cash before payday? We've all been there. Unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes you just need a quick solution. That's where apps like MoneyLion come in, offering financial products that can help bridge the gap. But the big question everyone's asking is, how much can you actually borrow on MoneyLion? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the different borrowing options MoneyLion offers, explore the eligibility requirements, and give you a clear picture of what you can expect when it comes to loan amounts. Because let's face it, understanding the details is crucial before making any financial decisions. Now, MoneyLion isn't your traditional bank. They're a fintech platform offering a range of financial products, including cash advances and personal loans. The amount you can borrow depends heavily on which product you're looking at and your individual financial profile. Let's start with Instacash. This is their cash advance feature, designed for those smaller, immediate needs. Think of it as a short-term bridge to your next paycheck. With Instacash, new members typically start with smaller borrowing limits. These limits can increase over time as you demonstrate responsible borrowing behavior, like consistent direct deposits and repayment history. So, while you might not be able to borrow a huge sum right off the bat, building a positive track record with MoneyLion can unlock access to larger amounts later. Now, Instacash isn't a loan in the traditional sense. It's an advance on your upcoming paycheck. Because of this, the amounts tend to be smaller, usually ranging from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. The exact amount depends on factors like your income, how often you get paid, and your overall financial activity. MoneyLion analyzes this data to determine a responsible borrowing limit for each user. Beyond Instacash, MoneyLion also offers personal loans. These are more traditional installment loans, where you borrow a lump sum and repay it over a set period with interest. Personal loans are generally for larger expenses, and the borrowing amounts are significantly higher than Instacash advances. However, the eligibility criteria are also more stringent. For personal loans, MoneyLion will consider your credit score, your income, your debt-to-income ratio, and other financial factors. A higher credit score and a lower debt-to-income ratio generally translate to higher borrowing amounts and potentially lower interest rates. The loan amounts for personal loans can vary quite a bit, ranging from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars. It's important to understand that MoneyLion uses a personalized approach. They don't have a one-size-fits-all answer to how much you can borrow. Their algorithms assess your financial situation to determine what's appropriate for you. This means that two people with similar incomes might have different borrowing limits based on their credit history or spending habits. So, how do you find out exactly how much you can borrow? The best way is to download the MoneyLion app and go through the application process. It's quick and easy, and it won't hurt your credit score to check. The app will show you the specific amounts you're eligible for based on your individual profile. Before you jump in, though, remember to borrow responsibly. Just because you can borrow a certain amount doesn't mean you should. Carefully consider your needs, your repayment ability, and the terms of the loan or cash advance. Make sure you understand the fees and interest rates involved, and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. Financial tools like MoneyLion can be helpful, but they should be used strategically and responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.